So, are you ready to activate Pebble Leadership? Pebbles are small, intentional ways we can connect with each other at work. Pebbles strengthen foundational pillars of trust, appreciation, belonging, sponsorship, and growth. In small groups, I want you to choose one of these pillars. Grab a blank sheet of paper, flip chart, or post-it notes. Then you're going to come up as a team with a list of daily actions that support and reinforce this pillar. For example, if you choose the appreciation pillar, some Pebble actions could be a handwritten thank you note, a monthly appreciation round table at team meetings, a little post-it of kudos right by the coffee machine. Let the brainstorming juices flow here. All the wild, boring, fun, and simple ideas are welcome. Get as many ideas as you can on paper. And then as a team, choose the top 5 and decide how you're going to implement them this quarter. Pebbles boost connection, collaboration, and happiness. You have the power to make someone feel seen, heard, and valued. So go ahead, give your Pebble.